Welcome to this next tutorial of Mesh2Surface for Solidworks. I will just create an empty part and I will import a mesh where I want to make a reverse engineering. I will just use import mesh and we'll get this file which you can get from the download page also. I will just uncheck this mapping because it is floating in space, so you can see the object. Now we will just take a look at the object. I will put the lights on. As you can see, this is quite a imperfect scan. You can see a lot of issues here, bumps, which are definitely not part of the object. Also, the quality of the scan is not good. There are holes here, the edges are not well defined. So you can do this in your processing package, but you can also do reverse engineering here. Now, the problem is that running auto surfacing on this mesh is not a great tool, and you will not get the good results. For these reasons, because we still don't have a freeform modeler, which we call quad surfacing in our add-in, together with your license, you will receive a free version of Quick Surface Freeform. And we also integrated this into our workflow. The way it works is you just right click on the mesh, and then in the menu you will see something which is called Quick Surface. When you start this, if you have evaluation, because you don't have it installed, you'll get a warning message. So what you need to do is just download Quick Surface Freeform from our website, or the best is to contact us and we'll give you instructions how to install this. I will just install this on my computer. You'll receive the installer. It's just a default application which you just install on your PC. You will need an activation code which you will receive from us. Once everything is installed, I will just get back again to Solidworks. And now if I just right click and invoke Quick Surface, the software automatically will open our Quick Surface Freeform model. The reason for having this is that we have here a lot of manual tools that you can use to create a nice and accurate freeform surface. The demonstration here is not about all the features here. You will receive, when you install this version, you can always select help and go to the video tutorials so you can get the information how to work with this. But let's quickly try to do some basic modeling here. I will just create my patch, make sure that the snapping is on, and with my manual tools we'll just quickly just drag and drop my edges here to create my surface. As I tell in other tutorials, our freeform surfacing is based on our proprietary snap to mesh technology, so you can always just drag and drop and the surface always snaps to the mesh, and this is how you model. You can probably just turn on and off these to get the best results. I am just quickly remodel this patch. I'm not aiming to make a perfect scan, so it will not be the most accurate one, but at least just to show you how everything works. Just drag and drop, and here I will just snap my edges so we can reconstruct this surface in a easy and simple way. I can just hold out on this red point so I can drag them, and here I will snap. When I have a triangular patch, I will probably just right click and split these to get a big quad-sided surface. And in this case, because this is symmetrical, I will just enable my symmetry, which is on the left plane. We'll double click to select the whole edge, and we'll tell the software to put this on the symmetry plane. As you can see, for just a couple of seconds I built roughly my surface. You can improve this a lot, and you can just create your best surfaces here with the tools. But again, this is not the goal of our demonstration. We'll just want to show interoperability between the two. So when you have this done, I have my surface ready, and which will look like this one. Actually, this is an empty one. I just created an empty one and canceled. So this is my result here. It's not accurate at all. Don't take this into account at the moment. It's more about how this will appear back in SolidWorks. So when you model your surface, what you need to do is just press to export the model. Now, when you export, instead of exporting this into step or IGES, you need to export this into the Quick Surface NURBS file format. Please make sure you don't have the map C to Y axis checked, because this is not needed. I will just pick this, give it the file name, and then I press save. So then I'm ready to get back to SolidWorks. What I need to do now is select File, Open. And now I'll go and locate where my exported file is, and from the filter I will just select Quick Surface NURBS. Then I can press Open. Because we have already opened a part, the importer of Quick Surface NURBS will offer you, if you want to import this into your current document, or if you press No, it will open the file into a new SolidWorks part. In this example, I will just press yes because I want to put it in this current part, and I will hide the mesh. And as you can see, I just brought this as a complete SolidWorks surface, which you can modify, you can thicken, you can apply trimming and different operations. I hope this video is useful. Thank you for watching.